Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of filling out and submitting a fit and proper Category 2 application using the GMIS system. Let's begin. To start, log into the GMIS Customer Portal using either your Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your customer dashboard. Under the section labeled Select an Action, click on Make an Application. Next, scroll to the Due Diligence section and select Fit and Proper, Category 2. On the following screen, you'll be asked to choose whether you're applying as a new or existing legal entity. For this demonstration, we'll be selecting Existing Legal Entity. You can save your progress at any time by clicking the green button. Once the application draft is saved, your application number will appear at the top of the screen, just above the Getting Started section. Additionally, be cautious with the red button, as this will delete the application entirely. Next, you'll move on to the Questions section. Read through and answer each question carefully and accurately. When you're finished, click Save, then Next to continue. In the Documents section, you'll be prompted to upload your supporting documents. Under Attachment Types, each required document will have a tick mark beside it. To upload a document, click the plus icon under the Uploads column. If you need to delete a document, select it using the checkbox and then click the small delete icon. You can also add a brief description for each uploaded document, if needed. Once completed, click Save, then Next. You'll now arrive at the application summary. Here, you'll see a breakdown of all the fees that apply to your submission, along with a summary of the information you've entered so far. Check the Declaration checkbox to confirm your submission details. At this point, you have two options. Click Add to Payments if you're not ready to pay just yet, or select Pay and Submit if you're ready to proceed. If you choose to pay now, you'll be redirected to eGov Paygate, where you'll enter your card details and click Make Payment to complete the transaction. Once your payment is successful, the application status will update to In Review. You'll then be able to view all the submitted details, your answers to the questions, and any documents you uploaded. You can download these documents and the full application summary at any time. When your application has been reviewed and approved, it will appear under Approved Items or Applications on your dashboard. You'll also receive an email confirmation containing your license number. At this point, the application status will change to Active, and you'll be able to download the approved certificate directly from the portal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need help at any point, feel free to reach out to our support team.